Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to start applock, how to set applock password in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to set applock password, you want to use Oppo mobile applock password. So friends, now let's see how to use Oppo mobile applock password one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your Oppo mobile you want to start applock, you want to lock app. Now let's see how to lock app, how to use app lock setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting, then scroll down here. Open your phone privacy setting. Open your phone app lock setting. You want to use app lock, first of all click here setting option, and you will have to set your privacy password. So friends, click here use a different password type. Friends, app lock you will start with pattern lock, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, app lock plus alphanumeric password you want to use, so you can use. Friends, app lock plus 4-digit password I will use, and I will enter 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5. Remember your app lock password, don't do any mistake, and remember your app lock security caution. Okay friends, now I will use my name. Right click here and app lock will start in your Oppo mobile. You want to lock app, right click here, you can lock app. Example friends, I will lock Facebook app, file app, Gmail app, Google app, Play Store app, Photos app I will lock, and YouTube app I will lock. So friends, you can check when I will on YouTube app, Photos app in my Oppo mobile, YouTube app is locked. 1 2 3 5 YouTube app unlock. Open your phone Photos app. You want to on Photos app. 1 2 3 5 Photos app is unlocked. Facebook app you want to use. Open your phone Facebook app. 1 2 3 5 unlock Facebook app and you can use it. File app. 1 2 3 4 5 file app will unlock. So like that friends, you can use app lock setting in Oppo mobile. You can start app lock in Oppo mobile, and you want to unlock any app, open your phone app lock setting again, enter your app lock password. After enter app lock password, right click here, app will unlock in your Oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in Oppo mobile app lock setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.